Hi, today is the second video of my 4-time Nagajuban special, and today I'm gonna show you how you can fold a Nagajuban. A Nagajuban is an undergarment you wear under your kimono. Unfortunately, you can't fold it like a kimono, and unfortunately you can't fold a kimono like a Nagajuban. So today's tutorial is about how to fold a Nagajuban. If you want to know how to fold a kimono, I have a link here, check it out. Probably the way how to fold a Nagajuban I'm gonna show you today is maybe not the most traditional way, but I just narrowed it down to the easiest way, and I think that's the best thing that would work for us all. Of course, there will be some people out there saying, "What? You're folding a Nagajuban like that? It's totally wrong." It's not wrong, it looks the same in the end. But I just do it easier, faster, and I don't care too much about it. I, by the way, barely fold my Nagajuban because I really hate it, because I fold all my kimono in 30 seconds. If you want to know how to do that, you can check out the link here. And unfortunately, there is no way how to fold a Nagajuban in 30 seconds, because actually it just takes 30 seconds to do it, because it's super easy, but you need a lot of space and I just hate it. So before we moved into our new home, I knew that I'm gonna have a kimono closet, and I was thinking about how I can deal with it. And I figured out for me quite a good way how to do it. Unfortunately, 1 month before we moved, one of my favorite kimono magazines I'm reading, it's called Utsukushi Kimono. They had like a special of storing kimono or kimono closets of different people, and one suggestion was exactly the way I figured out by myself. So it's kind of like, hey, you're stealing my idea! And it doesn't make any sense to fold all your Nagajuban all the time when you're wearing kimono every day, because you wear your Nagajuban much more often than you wear a kimono. In the end of this video, I want to show you my kimono closet, just a small part of it, because it's still pretty messy since we moved, because I still haven't figured out how to store some different things. So maybe I'm gonna give you a tour another day, not today, but today I want to show you how I store my Nagajuban. Okay, there was so much talking until now, so let's get started. For this tutorial, I chose a Furisode Nagajuban, but any other Nagajuban is the same. You put the bottom to your right and the collar to your left. The first seam we have to find is the wakisen, starting next to the sleeve and then going down to the bottom. Take the wakisen, lay it in front of you, and straighten the fabric out. Look for the wakisen on the other side and fold the Nagajuban along the wakisen. It also helps when you line up the katayama nicely, so you have a straight line on top. And the collar should look like this. Take the first sleeve and fold it inside. Take the other sleeve and fold it inside. And when you have done this, your Nagajuban should look like this rectangle. Take 1/2 of the rectangle, find the center of it, and fold along the center of 1/2 inside. Find the center of the other half and fold along the center inside. When you've done this, you take 1/3 and 1/3 folding in length. And then you're done. And now let's go into my kimono closet. So this is my kimono closet. And right at the entrance you have all my Nagajuban just hanging there, because I told you I hate to fold them. I put them into order. The first ones on the left are my summer Nagajuban, and you can see I have two, and I'm wearing one of them already because it's so hot in Kumamoto, so I can't stand to wear a normal Nagajuban under my kimono. And I just put a normal color on the summer Nagajuban, so it looks like I'm wearing a normal Nagajuban on top, but actually it's a summer inside. And then I put them into the order of the length of their yuki, so I know exactly which Nagajuban fits which kimono. And in the end, I have raincoat. These are only the Nagajuban I'm wearing really frequently, like every day. I also have Nagajuban fitting my formal kimono. This is my formal kimono section of my kimono closet. And you can see I have small tatoshi between the long ones. These are my Nagajuban I only wear for formal kimono, and I always put them on top of the kimono. I can combine it. If you like this video, I'm always happy when you leave me a thumb up or a comment with feedback or questions or request what you want to see as a next tutorial. And I see you in my next video. Bye!